Hello! The side vents always look tired on the Freelander 2, so we're going to fit brand new ones and upgrade the indicators. So this is what I've purchased. I'll link them down below. This is the sort of fake vent and the other one's the real vent. I've gone for silver. I'm not really gangster enough for black on black on black. And I'm not really cool enough for chrome. Equally for the indicators, I've gone for the dynamic swoop, but for clear rather than the blacked out sort of shadow look. So here's the vent. It looks sad, and you can see this is spring-loaded. So essentially, you just need to push forwards and then pull away from the left-hand side whilst keeping that pressure on the forwards, and it should come out quite easily. Once removed, just disconnect the electrical cable. It's a little lip. I've just got this handy, so I'll use this. But you probably use your fingernail. Just lift and disconnect. Lovely. I just like to grab the new one just so I can check the clips, make sure I know what I'm pulling at. Essentially, the top ones are rigid, they're not going to move. But the two bottom clips, they're sort of flexible clips, so that's where we're going to apply the pressure. With the indicator removed, we're able to grip it just here, pull towards yourself, and that just allows us to bow. Get your fingers in, and now we're pulling down and towards ourselves from the bottom. The idea is we're going to pull the bottom out with two pops. And then pull it down and away. Whilst you're here, you might as well do a bit of cleaning. So let's clean up this space. I'm also going to apply some new electrical tape just to the indicator wire. Why not protect it and make it last that a little bit longer? And then with the new side vent, we're going to pop it in the top and sort of lever it down. I'll pop the wire through first, don't want to forget that. And as I said, we're going to slide in the top part and then lever it down. And just click into place. Grab your indicator, connect up the electrical cable, and then we'll slot this in. So from the left-hand side of my screen, there's the rigid bit of plastic. Pop it in there first, and again, lever it in on that metal flexi sort of connector. This did fight me a little bit, but a bit of pushing. And there we have it. That's all done. If you've liked this video and you found it helpful, please do click like. Let me know in the comments. It does help the channel. And I'll see you in the next one where I'll be changing the door handles, upgrading those so they don't look so sad and grey. Cheerio.